Mwatate niko na kura zaidi ya 8,000. Mpinzani wangu yuko na kura karibu 3,000. Kwa hivyo tukiangalia tofauti ya kura zangu za Mwatate na zake za Mwatate, nimemshinda na kama 5,000.
Nyamira Governor John Nyagarama has been declared the winner of the Nyamira ODM governor primaries. In results announced this morning, Nyagarama garnered 17,012 votes against West Mugirango MP James Gesami's 12,126 votes. Hours before the results were announced, Gesami and Kumenda raised a number of issues, alleging there was a well-organized scheme to rig them out of the party. Gesami seemed to cast doubt on some of the party's national elections board members, whom he accused of ignoring his complaints.
I am telling the people of Nyamira that I'm happy that they are in the process of giving me another chance, because this is only the beginning there, and I want to thank them for showing confidence on me.
The first time I was given a message in the morning at 8 o'clock was there was a problem in the Menyenya polling station. So I decided actually to to drive from my place to Menyenya, and I found actually that there were material